Hi love bugs. Today in math we are going to be doing 10 bead loops. Now a couple lessons ago we worked together and you were doing beads. I'm looking back right now in your book. We did bead combinations on page 15 and it was for any number. But today we're just going to be working with the number 10. So I'm going to show you how we can make an equation, and they write it backwards in your book like this. They write 10 equals blank plus blank. So together, you don't have to have your whiteboard out right now, love bugs. This is just a lesson. I'm just showing you. We're going to make a little bead loop, okay, with some beads, and we're going to make 10. Okay, so I have my string, and let's count my purple beads. I put 1 on. Here's 2. Sometimes they're hard to get through. There's 2 beads. Ready for 3 purple beads. 4 purple beads. And 5 purple beads. Okay, so on my little bead loop, some of you might say it looks like a bead bracelet. On my little bead loop, on this side, I have 5 purple beads. Ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 can equal, I had 5 purple beads, and now I'm going to use my orange beads. Let's see how many more we need to make 10. So there were 5 purple. Now let's count. Ready? I'm adding this one on. We'll go on this side. That makes 6. Keep counting with me. 7. Putting another one on. How many does that make? 8. Remember, I have to get to 10. I'm putting another one on. How many does that make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm putting one more on to make how many? Very good, I'm making 10. Now let's look at this bead loop that I made. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 purple beads. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orange beads. Okay, so I have 5 purple beads plus 5 orange beads equals 10 beads altogether. Okay, and we're going to do problems like that in our book. When you look in your book on page 20, there are 10 bead loops. So I want to show you how we could illustrate what I just did. Okay, so open up your book. This one you can copy with me. You're going to open up your book to page 20. Okay, and I'm going to show you what to do here. Now this is where you could take your crayons or your colored pencils. I never use marker in the workbook because it will go through. Now, how many purple beads did we have, love bugs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to draw that. 1. So are you. You're going to draw this at home. 2. Draw it with me. If you need to, pause it. 3. 4. 5. There are my 5 purple beads. On this side, we have orange beads. How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to draw my 5 orange beads. Just like that. And then down here with your pencil, I'm going to use a pen so you can see it, but down here with your pencil you write, how many of the one color bead did you have? Well, we had 5 purple. And how many orange did we have? 5 orange. So 10 equals 5 plus 5. What you're going to do next at home, love bugs, you're going to pause the screen in a moment. You're going to show me another way to make 10. You can ask a family member to help. You can use any color beads you want. You have to have a certain number. Let's say you pick green. show me how many green beads there were. Let's say you pick yellow. How many yellow did it take to add the green and yellow together to make another 10? It should not be another 5 and 5. This is like our birds on a wire activity from Friday. It's different ways to make the same number. So we already did 5 and 5. So I want you to show me a new way here to make 10 and draw me the picture. Same thing down here, love bugs. Find a new way to make 10 with your beads. Draw me some beads here in one color, some beads here in another color. How many of each did it take to make 10? And down here is a challenge, love bugs, okay? Just like birds on a wire, there are 3 places. So you need 3 different color beads. So if you saw, I had blue ones out. Okay, so maybe you'll use purple, orange, and blue if you want to. And you're gonna show me what 3 numbers can you add together to make 10. Okay, so if you used blue beads, show me how many blue beads and write that number. Plus how many orange beads, plus how many purple to make 10. I'm not gonna show you a sample of this one because I don't want you to copy me. I wanna see what you come up with, okay? When you finish this page for your 10 bead loops, take a picture of it and send it to me on Remind so I can count that you did your math today. Have fun with it, love bugs. And if you have real beads at home, like a little beading kit, feel free to use it and put it in front of you to help you see it and count it for yourself. If you don't, that's okay too. We can draw them, and that's fine. So you're gonna show me a picture here, love bugs? Show me your numbers down here. I can't wait to see your work. Remember, I want to see you writing those numbers, okay? Don't make mommy and daddy do it. I want to see your handwriting. Good job, love bugs. I'll see you again tomorrow for some more math.